fucking thing.
Oh, you were shitting. Ooh.
Fuck it. Oh no.
You can push it, don't worry. I got it. I got it.
My truck also had all of my gear in it, my guns and everything.
Oh,
No
you were
one could have
kidding.
stolen that because we're in the middle of fucking nowhere.
Yeah, there's no way someone's gone along and found that. What the fuck, dude? I'm pretty certain that's... Yeah, because that's where I picked you up from, I remember. Chocolate was bought by Mr. Waffles. Sorry.
I'm Mr. Waffle. I'm Waffle! Motherfucker.
But you're not Mr. Waffle. Oh god, the boat's bus.
There's no way anyone could have stolen it.
No, unless they were like literally going across along the coast in a car, but that's impossible.
Okay, yeah, it's not here. I'm gonna have to get back on the boat. We're just gonna have to fucking... Oh, I can't get down now.
Dude, that is fucked. That's the second time that's happened to us.
Yeah. Actually, I'm just gonna shadow play that. Without I'll get compensation for it, but it would be nice if they looked at it. Let me in the boat
I doubt it
first.
would be that long, would it? Because we were out there for about